today I'm sharing with you how I made this cute little planter box using Dollar Tree items. I used 4 Dollar Tree picture frames to make this. They're the ones that have the little galvanized inserts, and I knew as soon as I saw them that I would make something with them. I just wasn't sure what. So I kept thinking and thinking and thinking, and finally I saw a picture on Pinterest, or I don't know if it was on Pinterest, but it was online, of one of these cute little planter boxes, and I'm like, yes, I know I can make that. So I think it turned out really super cute. Here's the back. I used popsicle sticks for the back, and then everything else that I used for the planter itself is from the picture frames. You could stain this if you wanted it to be dark instead. I staining it, but then I just love everything white. My husband gets kind of annoyed because I just want to paint everything white. And then I made this little, I just thought this would look really cute, like an open sign next to the farmer's market, using the little backing of the frames that props the frames up. So I think it turned out really adorable. I love it, and I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that this inspires you to make one too. Bye guys.
The first thing I did was take apart all 4 of my picture frames so that you could see what all of the pieces look like laid out, and then we're going to hot glue all 4 of the square backings together to create the box. And I'm sorry I lost part of the footage that shows what the picture frames looked like before I took them apart, but you would totally recognize them by the galvanized inserts if you saw them in your Dollar Tree. Now I'm taking apart one of the picture frames, and they come apart really easy. And then I took a pair of scissors and just pulled out the little metal pieces and the little staples that were sticking out. And now I am taking the 2 longer pieces, which was the sides of the picture frame, holding them in to measure for the roof support, and then just hot gluing them in. And I just totally eyeballed it. Next, we're going to take the 2 smaller pieces, which were the top and bottom of the picture frame, and create the little triangular support. We're just going to hot glue those to the longer pieces, and I kind of used the roof part to measure to make sure that they were straight on both sides. Next, I'm taking this white chalk paint, and I'm just going to paint everything white, but you could honestly skip this step if you wanted to. I think it would look just fine as is, because it is a rustic farmhouse planter box. It would look just fine just like it is. Or you could stain it brown, or you could paint it any color that you like. I'm personally kind of obsessed with painting and distressing everything white. I love that look, but you personalize this to however you like it. Now we're just going to hot glue the roof on, really super easy. And once the roof is on, oh my gosh, this thing is so cute. I just love the way it looks. All I'm doing is just hot gluing the 2 pieces together, the galvanized metal pieces, and then hot gluing them right on top. Next, I'm taking 2 of the little backings of the picture frames and taking a pair of scissors and removing the little metal piece, which I'm going to set these aside for a future project because I think they would make great little fake hinges. So we just painted the 2 backings of the picture frames white, and I'm also painting 2 of the Dollar Tree popsicle sticks white. I grabbed 2 just in case when I cut one it didn't turn out right, but you really only need 1. I'm cutting it in half and then cutting the ends off to make a straight edge after I kind of measure the back to make the window in the back. And we're just going to simply hot glue them down. we're going to take our two little backings that we didn't paint and use them for the bottom so that when you put something inside of your planter box, it doesn't fall through when you pick it up. And I should have glued mine inside so that when you set your planter box down, it's flush with the countertop, so it doesn't set up a little bit. I kind of messed up on that part. And now we're just gluing the other two pieces together to create our little open sign. Here is some foam from the Dollar Tree and some flowers from the Dollar Tree that I'm using for the inside of my planter box. I just used a pair of scissors to cut them apart so that I could stick them in and place them how I liked them, and also to make them shorter so they would fit. Now we're going to take these little sticker letters from the Dollar Tree to create our farmer's market on the front. I thought about using a stencil because I know it would probably look better, but I think this is really super cute just like it is, and I wanted to show that you could really make this using things that I got from the Dollar Tree. And here I'm just making my little open sign. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time. Bye.